Yo, 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 what's happening, guys? It's the Stock Guru, the coolest stock trader on YouTube. And today I'm going to be making a video about my trades that I took last week, a little weekly recap. So, yeah, I was able to make a little bit of profits, about a little bit over 4% on the week on two trades. The two trades that I took, one of them was a swing trade and one of them was a day trade. And today I'm going to be jumping right in to show you exactly what I did with those two trades. So, yeah, let's get right into it. So, the first trade was on Zen. And this was the swing trade here. So on Zen, you can see we have a nice solid uptrend here, and then it has this big sell-off and then some consolidation. So that's where we see some opportunity here, is in this consolidation. You see it builds some resistance here. Not like a great support, but I guess it does build some support around here. But once I see it make higher highs, I know that it's a go. So I bought in on this day at, let me see exactly where I bought in. 79.80. So let me get that. Yeah, I didn't get in right at the beginning, you know? Wish. 79.80. And then I held to the last day and I sold at 82.37. So let's take a look at that. I moved so fast. Let's just call it that, whatever. Over 3%. So, you know, add the two up, it's oh wait, we didn't do the first one yet. So I'll show you the second one after, but yeah, 3% on this one. So if you guys have any questions about how I took this trade, please let me know. If you want to know like how I knew to buy in when it broke over this swing point here. But yeah, I can make more informational videos. But for now, let's just jump on to the next stock, my day trade that I took, and this one is on DWT. So let me change the format here. I think I already have. Get this out of here. And let me get it down to not round one. This one. Okay, so on Wednesday, the crude oil report came out and it had negative news. So DWT is an inverse ETF of crude oil. So when there's a bad crude oil report and crude oil goes down, DTW is going to be going up. So this is the play that I took. I don't always trade these reports, but when they do a certain pattern, I will. So this one came into the criteria that I liked, so I took action on it. So let's break it right down. So before I even jump into it, 10:30 this news comes out. So you can see right at 10:30 it has this big jump, which it actually represents the drop in crude oil. But anyway, on this it's going up because it's an inverse. So let's zoom right up to there. So we start seeing this huge jump right at 10:30. So I don't jump in anything here. I just want to see how this plays out and see if it gives us a move. So it starts to. So we see it coming back. It's retracing a bit. And then it comes to about this halfway. So the way you want to measure this move is you want to break out a Fibonacci retracement tool. So let me grab that right now. So how you're going to use this, I have a video on it, but you're going to take it from the bottom to the top. Now you don't have to break this out every time. It just makes it really easy to see. Okay, so once you have that, you can see the lines are drawn for you. And you can see that when it retraces here, it comes, this 50% line, it comes down to the 50% line and past that. So it's lost half of its gains. And then comes down to even the 61% mark and goes past that. So it's losing a lot of its gains here that it got from this big jump up. But it does find some support here at the 61.8. And it starts to come back up. Now you could buy in here, but the reason I don't is because it could come back up and get rejected at one of these higher levels and come back down even harder. So what I did is I waited for the break of the high that it set earlier from this initial jump. So maybe I need to zoom out and show you. At 10:30 when the news came out, it made this high. I'm waiting to get in till it breaks over that high again. So I got in, I think right on this candlestick. Let me see, I got in at 631. Yeah, so yeah, right here. I got on 631. Right at the break of the high. I guess that's 1 cent higher. I think the high was 632. Yeah. And then it goes up a little amount, and then I didn't sell because that was not really what I was looking for, and it comes back down, and I'm underwater for a little bit here, but not much. Never any wasn't in there bad at all, and it just right after, a couple minutes after, starts coming back up. I'm in the green, over 1%, and on these small little day trades, I'm cool with taking just like 1% if that's the measure of the move. So I took profits over there at 638, locking me in at 1.1%. Nothing too crazy, but this is like a pretty consistent trade we have here that I don't really have any doubts about. So I don't. I think this is the type of trade you might want to put a larger amount in because you're so confident that this is going to work out because you're waiting for this specific trend to happen. But yeah, guys. So I hope you guys like this video. I'm trying to get some information out there. So this was just a little recap of how my week went last week with my trades. Yep, positive week, over 4%. Hopefully we get another green week next week. If you guys have any questions, please drop them in the comments so I can make some more videos about different stuff. But yeah, other than that, guys, I think I'm out of here. Just drop a like if you like this video, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one.